You're listening to the preview edition of Rewiring Reality, the neuroplasticity blueprint for identity transformation. If Hijacked exposed the lie, how fear, pleasure, and conditioning hijacked your identity, this book is the battle plan. It's the system for taking back the controls. This preview will give you a taste of the end result, what life looks like when you've replaced accidental programming with intentional design, when your nervous system is wired to defend the identity you choose, not the one you inherited. Then you'll hear the opening pages that break down the blueprint you'll use to reprogram everything from the inside out. Don't treat this like content, treat it like source code. If what you hear feels like the way you've always known it should be, then the full audiobook is your next move. Reprogram your brain, reconstruct your identity, reclaim reality. You've been hijacked by fear, by pleasure, by the lies you were conditioned to believe about who you are and what you're capable of. But now, you know the truth. Your identity isn't fixed, it's installed. And it's time to take the controls. Rewiring Reality is the tactical sequel to Hijacked, and it delivers the blueprint for conscious self-engineering at the level of neuroplastic command. This isn't about healing. It's not about finding yourself. It's about programming the nervous system to become the identity you choose. On purpose, with precision, and without compromise. You'll discover how to identify and override subconscious patterns in real time. You'll learn to rebuild your reality from the inside out, replacing outdated beliefs and emotional feedback loops with clarity, control, and command. This is not a motivational book. This is an operating manual for those who are done reacting and ready to become cause. If you're ready to stop chasing change and start commanding it, turn the page. Everything changes from here. Dedication. For the one who refuses to remain the person they were told to be. For the rebel, the seeker, the outlier. Who collapsed the illusion, saw the filter, and chose to rewire. This blueprint is for you. For the one who understands that change isn't about becoming something new, but returning to the truth you've always been. You're not broken. You're programmable. And now you're in command. Preface. You survived the collapse. You saw the lie, the subconscious blueprint built from fear, pleasure, trauma, and repetition, and you didn't flinch. You didn't run. You stared into the shattered illusion and chose to rise. That's why you're here. This book is not about hope. It's not about motivation. It's about neuroplastic precision. It's about reclaiming authorship of your identity and doing it with the ruthless clarity of someone who knows they've been hijacked and is now ready to engineer their return. This is the blueprint, the system, the code behind conscious reconstruction. It's not therapy. It's not healing. It's engineering. Inside these pages, I will show you how to disarm your conditioned self, rewire the filters that distort your reality, program your nervous system to become the identity you choose, not in theory, in practice, in structure, in repeatable command-level execution. You are not healing, you are installing. Welcome to the next phase. Welcome to Rewiring Reality. Shane Jenner, founder, Identity Singularity. Introduction. Let's make one thing clear. You don't need more information. You don't need more healing. You don't need another damn affirmation. What you need is a system. A repeatable, weaponized blueprint to take back command of the mind that was never truly yours. Because whether you realize it or not, your identity has been running on stolen code. You were wired by fear, programmed by pleasure, shaped by conditioning, and filtered by trauma. You've been reacting to a reality that was designed for you, not by you. But now the illusion is over. You saw it. You read Hijacked. You collapsed the false self and exposed the invisible architecture of belief. Now it's time to rebuild on truth. This book is not theory. This is the field manual. This is where you get the blueprint to engineer your nervous system, override subconscious programming, and construct an identity that is chosen, precise, and immune to the feedback loops of fear. You will learn how to interrupt old neurological patterns in real time and then replace them with consciously installed commands, custom-coded by you, for you. You're not chasing transformation anymore. You're deploying it. You'll learn the model, the method, the tools. You'll run drills. You'll break loops. You'll become cause. But let me warn you, this book doesn't care about how you feel. It cares about whether you're ready to command your reality like a system. Because that's what it is. And that's what you are. If you're looking for comfort, close this book. If you're looking for control, turn the page. Because from this moment on, every thought you allow, every emotion you tolerate, every identity you reinforce is either coded by you or hijacked by something else. This is neuropsychological war. And this book is your counterattack. Let's rewire. Shane Jenner, founder, Identity Singularity. If you're still listening, you already know this. You're not here for entertainment. You're here because something in what you just heard exposed the gap between the identity you're living and the identity you know you're capable of. This preview was a fragment, just a small slice of what Rewiring Reality is designed to do to your perception. The full audiobook takes you step by step through collapsing the old patterns, rewiring your nervous system, and installing a reality that actually matches the truth of who you are. From here, you've got two options. Option 1. Grab the full book and commit to finishing what this preview started. Option 2. Go all in. If you're done dabbling in change and you're ready to recode your identity at the deepest level, get the complete package, the entire system built to walk you through this process end to end at is.coach/recode. That's where you get everything you need to stop replaying the old program and start living as the identity you were actually built for. However you move next, don't do nothing. Go get the full book or go to is.coach/recode and recode your identity on purpose.